Alright YouTube, so welcome back again, and here you can see two desktop speakers are there. That's from Redragon, and that one is from Zebronics. So they have almost same features and same wattage, single driver you can see, but this thing has a red color LEDs that project on the speaker cone, the silver color you can see, and this a volume control knob. Beside that, there will be a red circle around that. But this one has RGB lights. There you can see that's two same size of drivers, and these two are the RGB lights, and also RGB light project on the speaker drivers too. So that's the difference between these two. And this thing has a port on the top, the front side, as this thing has a RGB light at the front, so this thing has a port at the back. Let me show you that. There it is. So it's everything same. This thing has a headphone out and also has a mic port, and this thing same, a headphone out and a mic port, and the volume control is almost same with the on-off switch. That's it. So that's the nice thing I like. So today I'm gonna do the sound test comparison between these two mini bookshelf speakers, and there's a bit difference in prices. This thing cost me around 1300 I guess, and this thing cost me around 900, something like that. So but I didn't find any sound difference between these two, but today I'm going to play some songs in both of them, and you're going to tell me which one sounds better. I'm not going to tell you that because you're going to watch the video and going to hear the sound and going to tell me which one is better. So let's start with the Redragon.
Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. Out of now. To where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started. To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. But still give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. But still give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Here it's 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In the corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You hate your fury and kept it in, but it's time now you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In the corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You hate your fury and kept it in, but it's time now you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.